Bored with your lengthy Gmail address or seen a professional email? Want one to replace your not so professional email? Then you, my friend, are at the right place. Hey, good and perfect. Harshit here, and Gmail is the most used email app. It would be pretty handy if the mails from a custom email would end up right into the Gmail app. So today we are gonna do exactly that. If you haven't checked out the video in which we make a custom email, then do check it out here. Now let's open the Gmail app. Now let's go to the account icon, add another account, other. Now let's enter the email address, personal IMAP, and let's enter the password. Next. Now here we just have to edit the server. Everything else is fine and it is imap.yandex.com. Now make sure that there are no gaps after the periods. Next. Now here too we just have to change the SMTP server and it is smtp.yandex.com. Next. Now you shouldn't get this error. If you get it, turn off require sign in. Next. And this name will show up when you send emails. So in my case it is Willy Willy. Now let's go to the accounts icon. Willy Willy. No emails are showing up. So let's refresh. Okay, so here is the email that Yandex sends to all of its accounts. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and not just subscribe. Do ring that bell so that you don't miss any of the amazing content uploaded on this channel. And as always, thanks for watching.